Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get your wall plate laser engraved here using CorelDRAW. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your DXF file that you should have hopefully saved from Fusion 360. So you're going to go to Open, and we're going to come on over here to our USB drive, and we're going to open up our wall plate here. Okay, now go ahead and select OK. And this is just to serve as a reference for now, so we can place all of our logos and text in the right location so we know where it goes. Alright, so with our DXF file here, this will basically serve as a reference for us so we know where to place our text in our logo. But first I'm going to right click on here and I'm going to do Order. And I'm going to send to the backup page, and that's okay, so we'll send it to another layer. And then we're going to go ahead and File, and we're going to import a logo, for example. And obviously yours is going to be different, but so this is just an example. Okay, and I'm going to just kind of click right here, and obviously it's too big, so I'm going to scale it down. Hold down the Shift button, get something like that, and then I'm going to move it in place. So I got it something like that. Okay, that's kind of where I want it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is kind of add some text, and you might want to do the same. So come on over here, use the text tool. So up here, I'm going to just drag out a box, and I'm going to type in on, and I'm going to center it. Select bold, and then once again center, and you can change the text if you want. I'm going to just leave it like that, and I'm going to just move it down so I know where it's at. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. And I'm going to type in off, and that's a little bit different size font, so we'll come back over here and we'll do whatever was up there. I believe it was 12. Bold, and we're going to center it. And once again, I'm going to use this guy over here to kind of get it where I want it. Okay, so I got my text, I got my logo, I got everything just how I want to laser engrave it. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and delete my wall plate DXF stuff because I don't need it anymore. It just served as a reference. So I'm going to delete the holes here, and I'm good to go. So when you're finally ready to go ahead and laser engrave, go to File and go to Print, and you're going to come on over here to Settings, okay, and you're going to want to come on over here to not plastic but metal, and you're going to go to metal marking compound, okay, and you're going to select metal marking compound dark, okay, and hit apply, and then okay. Okay, and then hit apply here, and then print. When you're done, go ahead and minimize this guy and open up UCP. Okay, and you'll see your design here ready to laser engrave. Okay, now stay tuned for the next little video clip here because I'm going to show you how to apply the metal marking compound to your light switch wall plate.
So what you're going to want to do now in a well-ventilated area is go ahead and first clean off your metal. Grab your metal marking spray and shake it up really well. Okay, remove the cap. And you're going to want to give it a good thorough coating. Hold it about 5 to 8 inches away. Let it dry, and once it's dry, go ahead and put it in the laser engraver and it's ready to go. After you're done laser engraving your light switch wall plate here, you're going to want to go ahead and wash off all of the white spray paint to expose the metal underneath. So just bring it over to the sink and run cold water over it to do that, and when you're done, just dry it off. So when you're done, hopefully you end up with something like that.